What's the meaning of computational? Computational. Computational.
Computational. Computational. The term computational refers to the use of computers or algorithms to solve problems. It involves the manipulation of data through mathematical and logical operations, resulting in the production of meaningful output. Computational methods have revolutionized many fields, including science, engineering, finance, and medicine, enabling researchers and practitioners to analyze and process vast quantities of data efficiently. The application of computational techniques has led to significant advancements in machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science. In summary, the term computational relates to the use of computational tools to perform complex tasks that would otherwise be difficult or impossible to carry out by hand, resulting in more accurate and efficient outcomes.